All right, so there's always been so much hype behind the, magical 609 letter technique. And in bonus video number 14, we transform it into a precise instrument for your success. Welcome to the sneak peek of bonus video number 14 from our masterclass, ChatGPT for Credit Repair. In this lesson, we're going to explore the fundamentals of Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. We'll show you how ChatGPT's artificial intelligence empowers you to craft well-structured and effective 609 letters. We'll give you real-life examples showcasing different scenarios, different requirements, and responses. Chris O'Connell is the instructor, and he'll give you step-by-step guidance to customize 609 letters for your client's unique situations. He also covers compliance, ethics, and professional standards using Section 609 for letters related to credit repair. With ChatGPT, mastering 609 letters becomes a really simple but powerful part of your credit repair toolkit. Join the masterclass today and enroll using the link down below. We'll see you on the inside.